I'm Katrin Brünjes, Professor for Interior Architecture and Design, and I'm currently Head of Program for the Bachelor Program in Interior Architecture and Design. Berlin International is a university based in Berlin. Both the professors and the students have an international background. This implies that professors and lecturers not only come from different parts of the world, but also have an international academic background and have experience in teaching as well as practice in different countries. All of this contributes to the international mix and makes Berlin International unique. In addition, Berlin International is anchored in the German education system with English as the language of instruction. What distinguishes Berlin International from other universities is, on the one hand, the internationality among the professors and students, and on the other hand, the strong connection between practice and teaching. As a University of Applied Sciences, we place a strong focus on the active implementation of teaching and the application of the knowledge. The link between theory and practice, learning from the past, analyzing it and applying it to today. The focus is on the dialogue between learned knowledge and the application to a current issue, and therefore to contribute to innovation and development in society. Berlin International offers a platform for dialogue and learning embedded in the German education system. With a program 100% in English and the state recognition, Berlin International offers a globally recognized degree. The teaching takes place in different formats, as one-on-one discussions, practical work in the workshops, and practice of digital tools, both as single or group work. Presentation skills are practiced continuously to prepare for the professional life in the future. Berlin International offers an international discourse between practicing professors and students and a forum for international students to engage and exchange ideas with one another, and as such, enhances cultural exchanges. Studying interior architecture and design at Berlin International means enjoying a sound education that is anchored in the German education system within the diversity of the international teaching environment. The interior designer creates living and working environments for people, enables and hinders certain activities, connections and living habits. Given the responsibility involved, the practice is an extraordinary joy when change is applied for the better. Our goal is to impart knowledge and skills to students that enable profound changes for better living conditions. Designing interiors is a very practical activity. Shaping the life that takes place in the interior means creating spatial connections, thinking, communication, enabling activities, developing an atmosphere. During the studies, scenarios are played out and applied. This serves to try out and explore the spectrum of possibilities. Students create a repertoire for a wide range of future applications. The aim is to equip students with tools to make decisions independently and to develop their own standpoint towards future challenges. This means gaining knowledge, developing skills, as well as a critical mind. After graduation, the students have developed an analytical, fact-driven set of tools that enables them to face future challenges with a critical mind and a well-founded standpoint. With that in one's luggage, one is well equipped to questions related to future living and working spaces. The network to companies is growing steadily. Particular emphasis is placed on cooperations with project partners in order to enable different aspects and perspectives. Giving insights into the profession and practicing design thinking on the basis of current topics is a focus. I don't know if Berlin is the right place to study interior architecture and design, but it is definitely one place and a good one. Like other metropolises, Berlin is a city also has many facets, which needs to be discovered. The chosen location will certainly have an impact on the development of the studies and is therefore far-reaching in this decision. When it comes to studying interior design, Berlin is definitely a good starting point that offers a variety of perspectives in addition to the studies. Berlin is a vibrant city with many facets. It is a growing metropolis which is constantly changing and renewing itself. There is certainly a lot to learn from within the city. The BI is vibrant, open and skill-oriented. The Interior Architecture Interior Design program is practical, exploratory and skill-orientated. And Berlin is a city which is multi-layered, fascinating and constantly changing.